AudioDirector provides professional-grade, cutting-edge tools for dramatic audio enhancements. Whether you're looking to fix audio for video projects, apply creative effects, or mix numerous tracks together, AudioDirector comes with a collection of features you need for fast and precise editing. Audio is half of the movie experience, and improving the audio in video projects dramatically enhances the final result. With end-to-end audio features and seamless integration with PowerDirector, AudioDirector provides round-trip editing, so there's no need to constantly export and re-import modified soundtracks. Audio editing for your video projects has never been more precise, with the inclusion of spatial audio editing for 360-degree videos. One of the benefits of 360-degree videos is the ability for directors to totally immerse their audiences in unique worlds. With spatial audio editing for 360-degree videos, you can adjust the direction and elevation of your sound source so that audio effects in your video can realistically match what's happening in your 360-degree world. Users of all levels can utilize precision tools in AudioDirector to apply creative audio effects. Take greater control of your creative projects with new, innovative improvements in our editing tools to easily fix your audio. You can send your finished work back to PowerDirector to apply some final touches before producing your masterpiece. AudioDirector helps to streamline your audio editing workflow with the introduction of professional editing features. Batch processing allows you to apply your favorite effect to numerous audio files simultaneously with just the click of a button. If you're unsure what effect you'd like to apply to your audio tracks, the new Track Alternative feature lets you effectively compare audio tracks, making it easier for you to choose the best-sounding take. The combination of workflow enhancement tools, seamless integration, and precise audio editing features will deliver incredible performance boosts to any creative project. AudioDirector 9 – Precise Audio Editing.